Hello students, welcome to your online biology class. Today we will do revision of unit 2, food and its components. We have learned that the food item we eat is made of many ingredients. So let's start. What is an ingredient? An ingredient is a substance we combine to make food items in a meal. The different ingredients must come from different sources. So example is water and flour. तो यहाँ मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि यहाँ पे इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है, वाटर एंड फ्लोर. वाटर एंड फ्लोर को मिला के हमारे पास क्या बनती है, रोटी. द इंग्रेडिएंट्स वाटर एंड फ्लोर कंबाइन टू मेक रोटी. ओके. एग्जाम्पल 2, ब्लैक लेंटिल्स एंड राइस. And what about combining these two? Idli. The ingredients black lentils and rice combine to make idli. So open the page SB2. Let us see the ingredients of a few food items as you see them. Practice question 1. Fill in the food item, the state where it is a staple diet and its main ingredients in the table below. Food item, staple diet in, and the main ingredients. So these are food items: idli, sambar and chutney. And the staple diet in Tamil Nadu. Main ingredients are rice, urad dal, vegetables and salt. And now B, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. And the staple diet in Punjab. Ingredients are corn flour, mustard, sarson, butter. So students, once you revise them yourself, where are these food items found and what are these ingredients? Okay. Next is food variety across India. Food variety across India. First is different ingredients are available in different parts of India. Second is this brings a lot of variety in food items across India. Like this is a common meal eaten across India: idli, sambar and chutney. It is mostly eaten in Tamil Nadu. Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. It is mostly eaten in Punjab. So these are food items. So students, we learned that people eat different food items in different parts of India. This is because different ingredients grow in different places. Now we will do practice questions 1.3 and 1.4. Question number 1.3, what is an ingredient? 1.4, name your favorite dish and list its ingredients. An ingredient is a substance used to make a food item in a meal. Question number 4, name your favorite dish and list its ingredients. My favorite dish is idli. Its main ingredients are rice and dal. So these are different types of food. Hyderabadi biryani. Its main ingredients are rice, meat and spices. It is mainly eaten in India, Asia. Sushi. Its main ingredients are rice, fish and vegetables. It is mainly eaten in Japan. Tacos. Their main ingredients are tortilla, meat, vegetables and cheese. They are mainly eaten in Mexico. So their main ingredients are meat, cheese, corn and spinach. They are mainly eaten in Argentina, South America. And this is olla podrida. Its main ingredients are pork and beans. It is mainly eaten in Spain. So now we will read reasons for food variety. Reasons for food variety. There are many reasons for food variety in food around the world. The three major reasons are: number 1, climate; number 2, soil; and number 3 is culture. Climate. The climate of a place only allows for certain types of plants to grow in an area. For example, plants with lush green leaves and broad trunks, and crops like wheat and rice cannot grow in areas that do not receive any rainfall. Soil. The soil in a place also plays an important role in the types of plants that can grow in it. For example, coconut trees and melon plants grow in sandy soil, whereas cotton and sugarcane are plants that grow better in loamy soil that can hold water and air. Now we will read about culture. People in different parts of world have different cultures, and this also brings in variety in food they eat. For example, most people in India eat food items like roti, dal, vegetables, whereas people in other parts of the world eat different food items like noodles, pasta and salads. So now we will do practice question 2. List 3 reasons why people in different countries eat different foods. The 3 reasons why people in different countries eat different foods are climate, soil and culture. Explain with an example how the climate of place affects the food choices of people. The climate of a place only allows certain types of plants to grow in an area. For example, plants with lush green leaves and broad trunks and crops such as wheat and rice cannot grow in areas that do not receive any rainfall.